Hey guys, welcome to Sub Unique Art. My name is Ricardo. So you guys remember this image? Yeah, we're gonna be doing it again, but this time it's in a perspective drawing, and I'm using a box this time to show you guys how to do a character in a perspective drawing. Anyway, let's get started. Alright guys, first you want to go ahead and draw your box. The purpose of this box is to help you mentally visualize the character at an angle. Once you have drawn the box at the angle you want, go ahead and do a rough sketch of the female body. I show you how to do that in a previous video. Don't be shy about using the transfer tool to help you adjust your sketch. Once you're satisfied with the rough sketch, go ahead and do a second pass. This time you will be defining the sketch a bit more. Also keep in mind you're still drawing the female figure in the box. Now that you clearly see the character at the angle, this is the time to start adding the details. While you're doing that, always keep the box in mind. I'm using the transform tool to my advantage, and I recommend you do that as well. Once I'm satisfied with my drawing, I also flip the canvas to make sure everything lined up properly. I also add some mock-up shadows to get the idea of how I want the color to look like. Now it's time to ink. I like to use the vector tool in Clip Studios when I'm inking, just in case I want to scale the image later without losing the line quality. Next is time to color. I color from light to dark, starting with the base color. I like to keep each body part on their separate layer, so it's easier for me to add the shadows. After laying down my base color, I start adding shadows for each body part on a new layer. I use clip to layer below, which works like a masking tool. Once I'm happy with the shadow, I add more details using the same method. New layer, then clip to layer below. I repeat the process for highlights, dark shadows, and any additional detail I want to include. Then I create a new layer on top of everything using the gradient tool and add my lighting and overall shadows. And this is it guys, that's how you draw a female character in a perspective. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or subscribe for more. If you have any questions or you want me to cover any topic, let me know. I'll see you later.